Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about limits and continuity problems which are belongs to JA Mains 2021 in limits in the month of July in all the sessions, morning session and evening sessions. The questions I am going to discuss in this video. Let us have a discussion. The first question here. Let a function f from R to R be defined as f of x equal to sin x minus e power x if x is less than or equal to 0, a plus step of minus x if 0 is less than x is less than 1, 2x minus b if x is greater than or equal to 1. Where step x is greater than greatest integer less than or equal to x, here condition is given if f is continuous on R, then a plus b equal to, these are the options available, 4, 3, 2 and 5. So here 0 and 1 both are given. So continuous on R, so x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, both are belongs to R. So the function f is continuous. F of x is continuous on R. That is, first I am considering at x is equal to 0. That is, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. So whenever the function is continuous at x is equal to 0, limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to f of 0. First, we will define the function values. X tends to 0 minus, x tends to 0 plus. X tends to 0 plus, that means x is greater than 0. First, we need to define the value of step of minus x. X is greater than 0 means 0, 1 on the real number line. That value lies between 1 and 2. X is greater than 0, no? So x is greater than 0 means lies between 0 and 1. X value we can take as 0 point something. Let us consider x is equal to 0 0.5, 0 0.6, 0 0.7, whatever it may be, in between 0 and 1. So now step we can consider for this. X is equal to 0 0.5, generally we are taking here. Minus x equal to minus 0 0.5. Step of minus x is equal to step of minus 0 0.5. Minus 0 0.5 which belongs to, where it will be? Minus 0 0.5, it will be in this, so minus 1 to 0 in between that. So step of minus 0 0.5 is equal to minus 1. So whenever x is greater than 0, wherever step of minus x is there, you have to replace with minus 1. You have to remember. And one more, x tends to 0 minus, x is less than 0. X is less than 0 means in the real number line, this is minus 1, minus 2. In between minus 1 to 0 it will be. X is less than 0. So x value we can take as minus 0 0.5, like this you can take. So minus x is equal to 0 0.5. Step of minus x. Step of 0 0.5, that is equal to 0. Step of 0 0.5 is 0. Now one by one we will do it. Limit x tends to 0 minus, x tends to 0 minus, x is less than 0. X is less than 0, the function value is what? Clearly, x is less than 0, sin x minus e power x. X tends to 0 plus, x is greater than 0. 0 is less than x, meaning is x is greater than 0. So, in place of f of x, you have to replace with limit x tends to 0 plus a plus step of minus x. which is equal to f of 0 means x is less than or equal to 0 is there, no, x is equal to 0, substitute in this. Sine 0 minus e power 0. X tends to 0 minus x is equal to 0, substitute here. Sine 0 minus e power 0, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. When x tends to 0 plus, x is greater than 0, at that time step of minus x value is how much? Minus 1. So a minus 1, which is equal to sine 0, 0 minus e power 0 is 1. Even here also 0 minus 1, which is equal to limit of constant. A minus 1 is constant only. A minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Either equating these two or these two, you will get a value goes to be 0. So among a plus b, we got a value 0. Now we will get the value of b by considering f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. We will do it here. F of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. That is, f of x limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to f of 1. So like this, we will verify at x tends to 1 plus 1 minus the values. Here only I will do that. X tends to 1 plus, that implies that x is greater than 1. X is greater than 1 on the real number line. The value of x lies between 1 and 2. I am considering here x is equal to 1.56, like anything in between 1 and 2. After that, x tends to 1 minus x is less than 1. Again, x is less than 1 means in the real number line 0, 1, 2. In between 0 and 1, you can take the value of x. Here x is equal to 0.67, like this you can take it. X tends to 1 plus, which function is going to get here? X tends to 1 plus, x is greater than 1, this function, 2x minus b. So limit x tends to 1 plus 2x minus b. X tends to 1 minus, x is less than 1 here. So this function you have to consider. Limit x tends to 1 minus a plus step of minus x is equal to less than or greater than or equal to, no, in place of x, substitute 1, 2 into 1 minus b. Now x tends to 1 plus, x is equal to 1, substitute here directly, 2 minus b equal to, here only twist to 1. Limit x tends to 1 minus, x tends to 1 minus means this value only, no. So minus x is equal to minus 0.67. Step of minus x is equal to step of minus 0.67. Step of minus 0.67, it will be here. Step of minus 0.6 will be equal to minus 1. So here it will becomes a, limit of constant is constant. When x is tending to 1 minus, the step of minus x value goes to be minus 1, which is equal to 2 minus b. Equating these two or these two, you will get the value of b. See here, 2 minus b is equal to a minus 1. A value anyway is 0 here. So 2 minus b is equal to minus 1. Since a equal to 0, so minus 1 you can take this side. 2 plus 1 is equal to b. So b is equal to 3 absolutely. After a get a value and b value. A is equal to 0, b is equal to 3. Therefore conclusion step. A plus b is equal to 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3. So a plus b equal to 3, which is there in the second option. We will move to the next one. The next question. If the value of limit x tends to 0, 2 minus cos x root of cos 2x whole power x plus 2 divided by x square is equal to e power a, then the value of a equal to. This question is given in the numerical type. Nowadays, they are asking in the pandemic situation, the question paper, first 20 questions are multiple choice question. Next 10 questions from each subject, they are giving as a numerical type. We have to give the answer. So that type of question here. By observing that limit x is equal to 0 directly, if you substitute, this limit value reaches to 1 power infinity. We already learned a number of problems we discussed in this channel. Whenever the limit reaches to 1 power infinity, we can write it as e power g of x into f of x minus 1. So once again I will write it. The given limit x tends to 0, 2 minus cos x into root cos 2x whole power x plus 2 divided by x square is equal to, generally 1 power infinity it is reaches. This value is given as e power a ultimately. Whenever it reaches to e power infinity, we can write it as e power limit x tends to 0. This is f of x, this is g of x. G of x into f of x minus 1. So x plus 2 divided by x square into g of x into f of x minus 1. 2 minus cos x root cos 2x minus 1. Now we have to simplify. After getting the value of this limit, you can compare with e power a. So e power limit x tends to 0, x plus 2 divided by x square, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus cos x into root over cos 2x. Again, if you substitute x is equal to 0, you are going to get as 2 by 0, 1 minus 0. So 2 by 0, anything by 0 infinity. So here indeterminate form. So what we have to do is again 1 power infinity form. So multiplying and dividing by 1 plus cos x into root cos 2x to avoid that form. That implies that e power limit x tends to 0, x plus 2 divided by x square. Numerator is in this form of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So 1 square minus cos square x into cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos x into root cos 2x. In the next step, cos 2x in terms of sign you have to write it. See here, e power limit x tends to 0, x plus 2 divided by x square, 1 minus cos square x, cos 2x in terms of sign, 1 minus 2 sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x into root over cos 2x. So now numerator e power limit x tends to 0, x plus 2 divided by x square, 1 minus cos square x plus minus into minus plus. 1 minus into 1 is minus cos square x. Minus into minus is plus. 2 cos square x into sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x into root over cos 2x. 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x. So e power limit x tends to 0, x plus 2 divided by x square, 1 minus cos square x is sin square x plus 2 cos square x into sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x into root over cos 2x. In the next step, sin square x we are taking common. E power limit x tends to 0, x plus 2 by x square into sin square x. The rest of the term 1 plus 2 cos square x. 1 plus 2 cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x into root cos 2x. Observe, dear students, carefully. Limit apply for indivisible in the power e. So here e power limit extends to 0, x plus 2 limit extends to 0, sin square x by x square means we can write as limit extends to 0 sin x by x whole square, and in the rest of the terms limit extends to 0, 1 plus 2 cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x into root over cos 2x. That implies that e power x equal to 0, substitute this value goes to be 2. It is in the form of limit extends to 0, sin x by x is standard limit, it is equal to 1, 1 square is 1. X is equal to 0, substitute cos 0 is 1. So 1 plus 2 into cos 0 value is 1 by 1 plus cos 0 1 into root also 1. So 1 it will be. This is equal to e power a, it is given. So that implies if you simplify e power 2 into 3 by 2 is equal to e power a, 2 to get cancelled. E power 3 is equal to e power a. That implies a is equal to 3. So the answer for given a equal to 3. We will move to the next question now. Next question. Let f from R to R be defined as f of x equal to x cube divided by 1 minus cos 2x whole square into log of 1 plus 2x e power minus 2x by 1 minus x e power minus x whole square, only square for the denominator, when x is not equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, f of x value will becomes alpha. And condition, if f is continuous at x is equal to 0, then find alpha. See here, dear students, f is continuous at x is equal to 0, then they are asking alpha. So first step, f of x is continuous. At x is equal to 0. Then limit extends to 0, f of x is equal to alpha, f of 0. What is the meaning of f of 0? At x is equal to 0, function value. X is equal to 0, substitute f of 0 is what? Well, alpha. So that is f of 0, that is equal to alpha. Limit extends to 0. In place of f of x, substitute this function. So x cube divided by 1 minus cos 2x whole square into log of 1 plus 2x e power minus 2x divided by 1 minus x e power minus x whole square. Now simplification, 1 minus cos 2x, 2 sin square x whole square. Limit extends to 0, x power 3 by 1 minus cos 2x, 2 sin square x whole square. Log a by b, log a minus log b, log 1 plus 2x e power minus 2x minus log 1 minus x e power minus x whole square. Log a power m again, m into log a, in the next step we will apply. Limit extends to 0, x power 3 divided by 2 square 4, sin power 4x, log of 1 plus 2x e power minus 2x minus 2 into log of 1 minus x e power minus x. After that, Here sin power 4x is there, here x power 3 is there. So here also if you get x power 4, we can apply limit for this. So what I am doing is multiplying and dividing by x for this. So limit x tends to 0, 1 by 4x, this will be separate, x power 3 into x power 4, limit apply for that also. First you write like this, x power 4 by, otherwise sin x by x whole power 4, but better, x by sin x whole power 4, that term we can write separately, x into x power 3 is x power 4 by sin power 4x. Next this one, here we are going to convert into formula format, that I will explain. This is the turning step in this question, dear students, observe carefully. If we substitute directly x is equal to 0, log 1 minus log 1, anyway log 1 0 here, 0 minus 2 into 0, 0 only. It is indeterminate form. That time what I am doing is log of 1 plus 2x e power minus 2x. It is in the form of log of 1 plus ax, 1 plus x otherwise. So if we denominator, if you are getting same x value, if you apply limit formula format, it will come. See here, in place of x what value is there? 2x. 2x e power minus 2x, multiplying and dividing by 2x e power minus 2x. This is for the first term. Similarly for the second term also, minus 2 into log of 1 minus x e power minus x. Here minus x e power x is there, no? So here also minus x e power minus x. Minus x e power minus x, we can. After that it will be converting into limit x tends to 0, 1 by 4x, x by sin x whole power 4. Limit apply for this also, limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus 2x e power minus 2x divided by 2x e power minus 2x. Minus into minus plus, otherwise here minus into, here minus is there, no? Here also minus is there, plus 2 into, so here I forgot to write 2 into, this value is also there now. Limit apply for this only. The rest of the term 2x e power minus 2x. So minus into minus is plus, 2 into x e power minus x separately, and the rest of the limit you can apply. Limit x tends to 0, log of 1 minus x e power minus x by minus x e power minus x. Here, whatever I mentioned in the bracket values, these bracket values goes to be 1. So in what way it will be 1? Which are in the form of limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. By using this formula, this value, why? Because here x is there, no? 2x e power minus 2x, here also same value is there. As x tends to 0, 2x e power minus 2x also goes to be 0. That is the reason this value and this value goes to be 1. Now come to the question, remaining question. Limit x tends to 0, x by sin x power 4, and for the rest of the terms, limit x tends to 0, 1 by 4x, this is the remaining term. And here what are the rest of the terms? 2x e power minus 2x plus 2x e power minus x. Here also 2x take common and apply. So this value goes to be 1 only, no? Limit x tends to 0 is x by sin x value is 1, 1 power 1 is 1. So 1 power 4. Limit x tends to 0, 1 by 4x. 2x we are taking common. E power minus 2x plus e power minus x. So here x cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So limit x tends to 0, 1 by 2. X is equal to 0, substitute e power 0 is 1 plus e power 0 is 1, minus 0 also 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So alpha value ultimately, therefore this is also alpha value is equal to 1. So here we got it as 2 by 2, no? 1. So alpha value is 1, which is there in the first option. Slowly you can understand, yes students, step by step. This is the turning step what I kept here star mark. From there only it will be. I have given arrow mark where we are applying this formula. And this is the standard result, limit extends to 0 sin x by sin x. That value is also 1. After that we have taken common 2x from there and applied limit. We will move to the next one. The next question. Let f from R to R be defined as f of x equal to lambda by mu into mod x square minus 5x plus 6 by 5x minus x square minus 6 and x is less than 2 e power tan of x minus 2 by x minus step x when x is greater than 2 mu when x is equal to 2, where step x is the greatest integer less than or equal to x. If f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2, then lambda plus mu equal to. So good question is concept wise, it is a continuous concept. So dear students, one important thing I want to say, number of problems we are doing based on continuity, the function is continuous. Observe that most of the questions are same, but they are asking in the different way, that's all. Wherever I am putting the star marker, their logics there, they know, that logics we will apply. How we will get that logic, sir? That question will arise, obviously. So, by practicing the number of questions, you will get ideas. In what way we can do? So, my sincere suggestion is, practice number of problems. So, you will get idea. Like this way we can do to get the answer. So, that is the reason, 100%. Practice makes man perfect. Like this we will say, no? That proverb. So in that way we can go. Practice, practice, practice. Then you will be reach your goal. We'll move to the question. Sorry for the interruption. If f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2, then lambda plus mu equal to. So f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. What we can write here? F of x is continuous at x is equal to 2, then we have limit x tends to 2 plus f of x, limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to f of 2. X tends to 2 plus x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2 means in place of f of x you have to write this one. First I will write the limits, respective limits, greater than 2, less than 2. After that I will explain what function we will consider, what values we will consider. Limit x tends to 2 plus e power tan of x minus 2 divided by x minus step x, which is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. X tends to 2 minus means x is less than 2. So lambda mod x square minus 5x plus 6 by mu into 5x minus x square minus 6. This is about x is less than 2. Next, f of 2 at x is equal to 2, f of 2 is what? Mu. X tends to 2 plus. X tends to 2 plus meaning is x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2, that means in the real number line it will be in between 2 and 3. X is greater than 2 means it lies between 2 and 3. So x is equal to 2.5 something or 2.6, 2.7 if you take like this. Step of x is equal to step of 2 point something, it should be equal to 2. Greatest integer function, step of 2 point something is equal to 2. So wherever step x is there in this limit you can consider as 2. Now, and also find the factors for this. X square minus 5x plus 6. Factorization, if we do that, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. So x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3, ultimately x minus 2 into x minus 3. So why? Because its modulus is there now, it will become plus anyway. And this is the numerator value I wrote. In the denominator value also we will write it. Denominator value 5x minus x square minus 6. So 5x minus, 5x can be written as 3x plus 2x minus x square minus 6. From these two, here take common x into 3 minus x plus 2 into x minus 3 from these two. Minus x if we take common here, minus if we take common, x minus 3 will come here, plus 2 into x minus 3. So x minus 3 take common, minus x plus 2, x minus 3 into minus x plus 2. Minus, from this you can take common, minus of x minus 3 into x minus 2. So denominator we can write like this, numerator we can write like this. So limit extends to 2 plus, step x value is what? 2. So this limit extends to 2 plus e power tan of x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Even this is also x minus 2, step x equal to 2. Limit extends to 2 minus lambda into numerator, mod means plus only, extends to 2 minus or 2 plus this value x minus 2 into x minus 3 by mu into denominator value as minus x minus 3 into x minus 2, which is equal to mu. So x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 6 means minus will be there. Limit extends to 2 plus e power. So limit apply for the e power, limit extends to 2 plus tan of x minus 2 by x minus 2. It is in the form of limit extends to 0, tan x by x form, that value 1. In the next step we will write it. So here also limit extends to 2 minus lambda by mu is equal to mu. So that implies e power, this value goes to be 1 now, this limit extends to 0, tan x by x, that value is 1, which is equal to minus lambda by mu, which is equal to mu. After that, e power 1 is e only now. So equating these two, e is equal to minus lambda by mu, equating these two. Next, equating these two also, and e is equal to mu. E power 1 means e only. So e is equal to mu, substitute here. E is equal to minus lambda by mu. So they are asking what value, lambda plus mu now. Mu value we got it here. Lambda value we want. So in place of e also, mu can substitute. So mu is equal to minus lambda by mu. Then cross multiply, mu square is equal to minus lambda. That implies that lambda is equal to minus mu square. So lambda value minus mu square we got it. E is equal to mu, we got it. Therefore, come to the question, lambda plus mu is equal to lambda plus mu square. Lambda value, see here, lambda is equal to minus mu square. Minus mu square means mu is equal to e only. So that also equal to minus e square. So mu is equal to e. So minus e square. So minus e square plus mu is equal to e. Why? Because in terms of, so take common e minus e plus 1. That's what they are asking. From these two, e take common. So e into minus e plus 1, the value of lambda plus mu, it is there in the first option. Slowly, any doubts are there, you can write to my comment box, dear students. I will respond. Once again, while doing the problems, you remember the thorough with the formulas of limits, standard limits. We have number of standard limits. You have to thorough with that formula. We'll move to the next one. The next question. Consider the function f of x equal to p of x by sine of x minus 2 if x is not equal to 2, f of x equal to 7 if x is equal to 2. Where p of x is a polynomial such that p double dash of x is always a constant and p of 3 is equal to 9, if f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2, then the value of p of 5. So here, dear students, function is continuous, but here unknown function they are asking indirectly, and from that function they are asking p of 5. First we have to know about p of x, then p of 5 only it will come. So for that, but condition is given clearly, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. So f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2, then we have f of 2 is equal to, otherwise limit x tends to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2. The meaning of f of 2 is at x is equal to 2, the value is 7. Limit x tends to 2, p of x means p of x by sine of x minus 2. X is equal to 2, substitute directly. So what happens? P of 2 by sine 0, 2 minus 2. Sine 0, 0, cross multiply. So P of 2 value goes to be 0. Sine 0 is 0, 0 into 7 0. So P of 2 value 0. Dear student, this is the turning step of what I am going to explain. Now I want p of x compulsory. So p of x, they mentioned it is a polynomial such that p double dash of x is always constant. Suppose if you take p of x as quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c, first derivative p dash of x will becomes what? 2ax plus b. P double dash of x is equal to what? 2a will come. 2a into x derivative 1 plus constant b derivative 0. So p double dash of x is equal to 2a. So it is a constant only, no? So p of x we can consider this quadratic expression. This is one way, method 1. But instead of taking this quadratic expression, another one I will take according to the convenience of the given question. In the given question, the function is denominator sine of x minus 2 is there, no? X minus 2 is a linear equation, but we want a quadratic expression. So can I take like this? If p of x is equal to x in terms of x minus 2 I am taking x minus 2 into some other function ax plus b. If you do the product of these two, ultimately it is a quadratic expression only. Quadratic expression. P of x is equal to x minus 2 into ax plus b. And one more condition is given, p of 3 is equal to 9. Substitute in this, x is equal to 3. So p of 3, x is equal to 3, substitute. So 3 minus 2 into a into 3 plus b. So 3 minus 3 is 1. So 3a plus b. P of 3. That value is given as how much? 9. So put it in box. So 3a plus b is equal to 9. Next, p of 3 we got it now. Now come to the question. In place of p of x, this function I am considering. So limit x tends to 2, p of x is x minus 2 into p of x, x plus b divided by sine of x minus 2 is equal to 7 only, no? According to this limit can be written as the product of two terms. Limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 by sine of x minus 2. This is one function. Limit apply for the other function. Limit x tends to 2, ax plus 7. Sorry, ax plus b, sir. Ax plus b is equal to 7. By standard limits, x tends to 2 means x minus 2 tends to 0. It is in the form of limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, that value 1. X is equal to 2, substitute. 2a plus b is equal to 7. Therefore, 2a plus b is equal to 7. This equation we got it. 3a plus b is equal to 9. Solving these two equations. Solving these equations. So here 3a plus b is equal to 9. While subtracting, sign changes. These two will be cancelled. Minus a is equal to minus 2. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Substitute either in this equation. So 2a plus b is equal to 7. 2 into 2 plus b is equal to 7. B is equal to 7 minus 4. B is equal to 3. So a value 2, b value 3, we got it. But they are asking what value? P of 5. P of 5. So after getting the values of a comma b, P of x we can write it as, therefore, P of x is equal to x minus 2 into a value, b value substitute. So 2x plus 3. But I want P of 5, x is equal to 5. So P of 5 is equal to 5 minus 2 into 5 plus 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3 into 10 plus 3, that is equal to 3 into 13, that is equal to 39. Therefore, P of 5 is equal to 39. So this is numerical type question. Maximum try to take this function P of x value based on that denominator contains which of the function. Dear student, this is the logic here. That is the reason I kept here star mark. Otherwise, you can take like a P of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c and then continue. But it will take little bit time. 1 or 2 minutes will be late. But you can do that. So P of 5 is equal to 39 is the answer. We will move to the next one. The next question. Let f from open interval of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 two real numbers are be defined as f of x equal to 1 plus mod sin x whole power 3a by mod sin x minus pi by 4 is less than x is less than 0. F of x equal to b when x is equal to 0. F of x equal to e power cot 4x by cot 2x when 0 is less than x is less than pi by 4. If f is continuous at x is equal to 0, then the value of 6a plus b square equal to f is continuous at x is equal to 0. So, first you write f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Then f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Then we have limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to f of 0. So, x tends to 0 plus x is greater than 0. So, 0 is less than x means x is greater than 0 only. No? So, you can take here limit x tends to 0 plus f of x value. 0 is less than x, x is greater than 0. So, e power cot 4x divided by cot 2x which is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x tends to 0 minus means x is less than 0. X is less than 0 means here 1 plus mod sin x whole power 3a by mod sin x. which is equal to f of 0. X is equal to 0, substitute here. F of 0 is equal to b. I hope everyone understand. Limit extends to 0 plus e power cot 4x. Here, cot 0 is infinity, by infinity it will come now. So that's why what we are doing is, in terms of tan you can convert and apply the limit. E power tan 2x by tan 4x. The reciprocals now cot 4x can be written as 1 by tan 4x, 1 by tan 2x, denominator of denominator, numerator, and apply limit also. Limit extends to 0 plus, which is equal to, here x is equal to 0, substitute sin 0, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, anything by 0 is infinity, 1 power infinity. Whenever the limit reaches 1 power infinity, what we have to do? E power, this is f of x, this is g of x. G of x, first limit apply. Limit extends to 0 minus g of x into 3a by mod sin x into f of x minus 1, 1 plus mod sin x minus 1, which is equal to b. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Even mod x also cancel. It is in the form of e power, can we write like this? Limit extends to 0 plus tan 2x by x by tan 4x by x. Standard limits. Limit extends to 0, tan ax by x is a. So a by b. Here 2 by 4. It will become 1 by 2. So here e power, limit extends to 0. This value constant is constant, 3a, which is equal to b. So we have here also e power 2 by 4, which is equal to e power 3a, which is equal to b. So that implies e power 1 by 2 is equal to e power 3a is equal to b. So from here you can change that. E power 1 by 2 is equal to e power 3a. That implies 1 by 2 is equal to 3a. That implies 6a is equal to 1. Next, b value. E power 1 by 2 is equal to b. Here we are taking these two. E power 1 by 2. Squaring on both sides. E is equal to b square. So b square value we got it. 6a also we got it. After that add these two. So 6a plus b square. 6a value is 1 plus b square value is e. So 1 plus e or e plus 1. It is there in the second option. We'll move to the next one. The next question, dear students. Let f from R to R be a function and f of 2 equal to 4, f dash of 2 equal to 1. Then the value of limit extends to 2 x squared into f of 2 minus 4 into f of x by x minus 2 equal to. See here, x is, first take that limit f of x be a function. Limit extends to 2 x squared f of 2 minus 4 into f of x by x minus 2. X is equal to 2, substitute directly. You are getting 4 into f of 2 value is already given 4 minus 4 into f of 2 value, again it is 4 by 2 minus 2. So 0 by 0 form, indeterminate form only, no? Whenever it is indeterminate form, we have to apply L'Hospital rule. So by using LH rule, limit extends to 2, derivative of numerator f of 2 constant, x square derivative is 2x minus 4 into constant f of x derivative is f dash of x by x minus 2 derivative is 1. Now wherever x is there, replacing with 2. So f of 2 into 2 into 2 minus 4 into f dash of 2. F of 2 value is 4 into 2 into 2 minus 4 into f dash of 2 value is 1. So 4 into 4, 16 minus 4, which is equal to 12. So which is there in the first option, dear students. So whenever it's a simple problem, numerator and denominator goes to be 0 indeterminate form. Obviously you can apply L'Hospital. One complete video I made, 2 videos I made in limits and continuity playlist. Once you go through the playlist and work out, dear students, 100% you are going to get benefit through our channel. In these sessions, in the month of July 2021 JMM sessions, one limit problem is there that is related to the second year. Limit as a integration, sum of integration. Even that question also I am explaining here. That is the last question in this July all the sessions, morning and afternoon. Maybe one or two questions may be missing. That also will cover in the next video. Yeah. The next question here. If f from R to R is given by f of x equal to x plus 1, then the value of limit n tends to infinity 1 by n f of 0 plus f of 5 by n plus f of 10 by n plus and so on f of 5 into n minus 1 divided by n equal to options 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 1 by 2 and 7 by 2. See how we are going to do this problem. This problem belongs to limit as summation, limit as integration, sum of limit as integration. So first f of x value given. What value is given? F of x, x plus 1. After that consider the limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n f of 0 plus f of 5 by n plus f of 10 by n plus and so on f of 5 into n minus 1 divided by n. This is the situation. By observing all are 5 by 10 by 5 into something is all are 5 multiples, so we know. Can we write like this? Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n f of 0. 0 can be written as 0 by n also we can write it. This can be written as f of 5 by n plus f of even 0 by n. In the next step I'll write better. 5 into 2 by n we can write plus and so on. Last one f of 5 into n minus 1 divided by n. So limit x n tends to infinity 1 by n f of, this can be done as 0 into 5 by n. Can we write like this? F of 5 by n can be written as 1 into 5 by n. This can be written as f of 5 multiples, write it, sorry, here 1 by n, here 5. Here 0 by n, here 5. 5 multiples we are writing. Why? Because here 5 multiples are there now. So 5 times of 2 by n plus and so on f of 5 times of n minus 1 divided by n. So 5 multiples. We can write it as limit n tends to infinity 1 by n. This summation we can write as limit r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 f of 5r by n. See, r is equal to 0 if you substitute 5 into 0 by n. R is equal to 1, substitute 5 into 1 by n. R is equal to 2, substitute 5 into 2 by n, and so on. R is equal to n minus 1, substitute 5 into n minus 1 by n. Are you able to understand, all of you? Yes. After that, we have the formula in definite integration in the second year. We have the formula. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 f of r by n is equal to integral 0 to 1 f of x dx. So wherever r by n is there, you have to replace with x and take the limits as 0 to 1. R is equal to 0 to n minus 1, upper limit and lower limit cases, if you apply, you will get integral 0 to 1 f of x dx. So here also, this can be written as integral 0 to 1 f of, wherever r by n is there, r by n is equal to x. So wherever r by n is there, f of 5x into dx. So by using this formula. So f of x is equal to, since we have f of x is equal to x plus 1, similarly f of 5x is equal to 5x plus 1. So in place of f of 5x plus 1 you have to write and then integrate. Integral 0 to 1 5x plus 1 into dx. So each and every time you have to integrate 5 integral 0 to 1 x dx plus integral 1 into dx is dx, integral 0 to 1 dx. So 5 into integral x dx is x square by 2. So 1 by 2 I am taking out, x square applying the limit 0 to 1. Integral dx is x applying the limit 0 to 1. So which is equal to 5 by 2, 1 minus 0 plus 1 minus 0, which is equal to 5 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 7 by 2. Therefore, the given limit value is equal to 7 by 2, which is there in the fourth option. In the next video, dear students, in this complete video, July 2021 JA Mains from limits and continuity we discussed. In the next video, August 2021 all limit problems I am going to explain in the another video, in all the sessions, morning and evening sessions. After that, I will select another topic from July and August, that also I will explain. Thank you for watching our channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends with relatives. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box, and most of the students, they know my WhatsApp number. Why? Because most of the students they are belongs to APTS in WhatsApp group. Someone created that, so you can share maximum my videos to reach all the students, those who are having aim to JA Mains and MSET. Even it will help for MSET and BITSAT also. Thank you, dear students. Maths with Panindra signing off.